Hi everybody, Pro Trader Mike. I'm founder of MOJO Day Trading, doing my Sunday chillin' hangout. Thanks for hanging out with me. Got Bubba Snare down there. He's hanging out too. And it's 8:28 on October 6, 2019. Mojo's in the command center. Let's head on over to my main screen, see what I'm looking at tonight. And welcome. Thanks for watching me on YouTube and Periscope. So forth, Twitter, and YouTube. Right. So yeah, when you come on in, just say hello. Where y'all from? In the chat. Don't be shy. Don't be shy. And let's check out, see what we got going on for the action into tomorrow. Some new headlines just came out on this cryptos. PayPal ditches Libra, crypto stagnant. Mark Cuban hates Bitcoin. The hodler's digest. People may not even know what hodler means. HODLLERS. It's actually a pretty funny story. It means to hold. The holder's digest. People that hold coins, like you own a stock and you hold it. Same thing with that. But it was misspelled by a famous blogger who had too much to drink and said at the time he was going to hodl some Bitcoin. And it became a term that caught on. And the word hodl means to hold. That's what that means. I got some. Love my granola. PayPal ditches Libra. And Mark Cuban, I watch him on Shark Tank all the time. Coming every Sunday, Hodler's Digest will keep track of every single important news story that happened this week. Thank you. That's very nice. PayPal officially pulls out of Libra Association. Okay. Maybe Mark Zuckerberg and Elon Musk had a fight. Altcoins see mixed movement while Bitcoin hovers around 8,000. Okay. Saw a fake breakout as Bitcoin jumped a 72-day low to 7746. Stopping station, Mojo traders. 7720 to 7777. Amazing. Came right down to that stopping station. Major exchanges to jointly define which cryptos are securities. Okay. How about the top 50? You have thousands of stocks. Most of them are junk anyway. Apple will not create its own digital currency like Facebook, says the CEO. Here's the thing about crypto, particularly Bitcoin. Bitcoin is worth what somebody's willing to pay for it. I'd rather have bananas. I can eat bananas. Crypto, not so much. Yeah, but right now, crypto is worth $7,800 a coin. It's a lot for one coin. Winners and losers. Okay. That's good. Let's see what Bitcoin dips below 8,000 as altcoins sees mixed movements. This is Ripple. Look at what's it down here? That's it. They just show Ripple and Bitcoin. 7-day price chart on Bitcoin. Not a lot of much of much. A nothing of nothing. Let's see what is the topic of tonight's show. We're going to talk about stock trading, option trading, and crypto trading. Yeah, and I'll go over the news. I'll tell you all about what's happening, the 5 hottest things and the 5 nottest things for sure. Nice. I got a couple new promos. So let me show you this day trading, swing trading, and options trading, folks. Let me show you what goes on with that. So right here, day trading, we reveal. You got to be in cash at the close. Swing trading, you can hold overnight. And options trading has time value that as you hold it, let's say a stock, I hold it overnight, or I go into a stock trade and I'm trading the stock and I hold it for 5 minutes. Time won't erode the value away. Just the market makers or the sellers or the buyers, the demand will push it up and down. So there's no time value to lose. Same thing with holding a stock overnight. But with options, every day it doesn't work, you lose time value. So the option becomes worth less and less. And then you got the day trading. You can definitely use the Hines system. That's the even number roll system I have for picking stocks. Definitely do that with day trading. The swing trading is the Ken Slim system. So these are the systems that are used. Day trading and swing trading is use the Ken Slim system. And then you've got the options trading. You can use both. You can find fundamentally strong stocks representing the Ken Slim system that are just below the even number and play the options through with magnificent moves. Absolutely you can. Absolutely you can. And then day trading, what I reveal here, is very risky. Very risky. 9 out of 10 people fail, especially with the free commissions. They're trying to bait you in to trade more. You're going to lose more. See, what happens is you don't understand. The firms, they make a lot of money with your orders. So let's say here, I'm TD Ameritrade. And I'm trading Ameritrade, that stock that was down. And all these orders are coming in, this order flow. It's coming into my trade desk. But right now, I'm not charging anything for it. Once it accumulates and I have enough of 1 million shares there, Apex Clearing will buy those shares from me by my order flow. And they'll pay me up to 5 times more than the commissions I could have charged the retail person. So once Apex Clearing gets all those 1 million shares orders to buy, they can start to manipulate the market with the spreads and make 100 times the amount. They want the order flow. So the firms are trading against you. The high frequency firms are trading against you. Everybody's trading against you. So it makes it pretty difficult to win in the stock market if you don't have a system. And day trading, if you don't have a system, is risky. Less risky for swing trading and most risky for options trading. Let's reveal what's behind door number 4 for day trading. Oh, it's easy to get involved and easy to understand the system for day trading. You come into the MOJO Day Trade room. I tell you exactly when to buy. I post a picture image of the level 2 with the shares. I tell you, risk a nickel, make 50 cents. That's a good one. So you risk a nickel and you try to make 50 cents. Or anything close, whatever the stock will give you. Swing trading is harder to do because it involves fundamental and technicals. You have to look at the charts, you have to forecast, analyze. It's all a bunch of bull crap unless you have a system. And options trading is the hardest to do. Okay? Day trading is the easiest to understand. I'm going to be at cash at the close. I'm going to use a specific system. I know it's risky, but it's easy to understand and easy to implement. Options trading is the hardest thing to understand. It's the hardest. Hardest. Go lose your money. You'll know what an option is. And then understanding swing trading, it's you can easy to understand. You can understand that. And options trading as well. And then the last category is yes, yes, yes. Mojo, you can do day trading. Mojo could do swing trading. And with the Mojo, you can do options trading. Those are the three. Show you the comic for tonight, why don't I? What happened to your stock portfolio, I wonder?
Well, yes.
There you go. What happened to your stock portfolio? That's one of tonight's comics. Here's the other one. Mom and Dad, I know this might be difficult for you to both understand, but I learned to stock trade from MOJO Day Trading videos. Cha-ching! Nice. So I showed you some comicals that I made up. Got the Swing Trade newsletter out. Let me show you a couple of email I got. So I get this email every Sunday from Nate. I never do these picks. Here's the watch list. You go into FinViz, right here, and you copy the 10 stocks that are there. There you go. You go to the biggest gainers on Friday. They're right there every week. All he does is put out the 10 biggest gainers that happened on Friday, and if 3 of them continue, he'll show the 3 and forget about the 7. It's a really good system. It's like taking a shotgun and just shooting it against the wall on all the biggest gainers on Friday. So the biggest gainers we traded on Friday were meat in the MOJO Day Trade room. As it broke out through $4, we traded meat. We traded TSG in the MOJO Day Trade room. Show you right here, meat. Right here. This was on Friday, right there at 8:30 in the morning, and was one of the most popular stocks. It was the meat. Heinz 4 nicely right here last Thursday. 404 new high on meat. Oh, here's the pick right here at 432. So meat, it's irresponsible. It's too risky for the reward. What are you going to get? 25 more cents on the upside? The thing will drop to 375 in a heartbeat. 50 cents a risk for 25, 50 cents a reward. It's a 1-for-1 ratio. It's a shitty pick. It was good, I'd say. TSG is number 2 on his list at 20, steady grind up, ready to go. Higher, better, looking for a lean to decide leaning on this thing. No sense of trying to, so they're going to lean. I don't know which way he's leaning. Need this name to open for an opportunity. I don't know what his opportunity is looking, but we traded it. Rainey was very, very active in the room. Trading TSG right here. Beauty last Friday. On TSG, Heinzing right here for Raimi. 21. TSG ready to roll. Right there. TSG just Heinz. Boom. So trading a lot of TSG in the room. Also, way too much risk. Stock could come right back down here up to $21. And just too much risk. Too much risk in that. Look at that gap. I mean, you buy to go up a half a point and drop $2. And then overstock is just the trend is your friend. Stocks in motion, stay in motion. There's too much risk on the downside for you at this particular point. It hasn't satisfied some green bars up. It's a trader's stock. It's not a swinger stock. Peloton, kind of thinking like D-Dog potential, was dead wrong on the last Sunday video, thinking it was going to surprise up. This one also is dead in the dog. We just trade the stock up and down as it goes through 22, 23, and 24. Stay in this range. There's nothing going on with Peloton. It was just last week's hot stock on Friday. Threw it up on the gainers list. SCS, same exact thing. SDC, Friday's big winner. We traded in the MOJO room. I wouldn't touch it with a 10-foot pole. All these people that are burned in here, every single guy at 15, all these are all waiting to get out. I'll only trade it through Heinz 16, 17 at 1690, 1790, and 1890 to go through the even number and get the hell out. Otherwise, it's a shitty pick. Too much risk for very little reward. SRPT. Looking for a possible 1 to 2 pushback and fade back. He's looking for a short on. I wouldn't touch. It's breaking out, filling in the gap. It's the only good one on the upside. LABD, keeping an eye, was a nice short. Thursday would love to catch some if it melts for a bounce. I don't know what that means, but Zixi, 4 good days in a row. Looking for a turnaround, starting to watch another opportunity for a correction with the beta. Stalking, no heavy bias right now. Okay. So, you can just go on the gainers list and throw up the top 10 stocks and 3 or 4 of them work. You got a beautiful, beautiful system right there, man. Damn. Got to be original. My swing. Take a look at my swing notes. I post them on the website. Here's the newsletter for tonight, 10/6. Top 4 picks. The first one I picked in the MOJO room on 9/29. It's in play. I picked it on 9/29, BVSN, right here, last Sunday. Right here at $1.69, BVSN, right there. See it? Love that stock, BVSN. Look for that one to make a move. The float is teeny tiny, 2 million in the float ski. 2 million in the float ski. Loving BVSN for the MOJO swing pick. The next one in the swing pick actually has a risk to reward ratio of 20-1. BVSN is 5-1. The next one is 20. The next one's 5 and the other one's that. Same spot. But my second pick, the next one's 10 and the next one's 5. Risk reward ratio of 20 on the upside, 1 on the downside. Risking a dime to make $2 on this trade play. So you're going to hear me on Wednesday saying, dude, you should have listened to my Wednesday video and signed up on my website for my swing trade newsletter, because that stock pick right now is up $3 from where I picked it. And you risked a dime. $3 from where I picked it. 3. Good question. How do you subscribe to my newsletter? Well, this is coming down, but I haven't taken it down yet, so you could still take advantage of it if you subscribe. My day trading course and my swing trading course. So if you want to start swing trading, click the swing trading. Yes, I want to start swing trading. And you'll be taken to here where you can learn how to make these amazing trades. 5 for 5, average gain 30%, winner, 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 winner. Now, I didn't pick 10 and show you the top 1 or 2. I picked 4 and showed you 3 or 4 out of 4 for the month. And here's the swing trade portfolio right here on how we finished for September. From OptiNose to C-Chains to Wendy's to Rite Aid to Alkaline Water Company. The beginning of the month with T2 Biosystems at 95 cents going to $3 was an amazing start of the month. Then the market started to correct, hitting stops, coping, I got out. 85 cents on Bioc. David's Tea worked. Neon didn't work. Arcadia Biosciences didn't work. Lost on that one too. I thought Arcadia would go up. Lost 11.3 on that. 13 on Neon. made 32% on David's T, lost 12% right there on XNET, and 20% on MLSS, Milestone Scientific, and XXII, a 228 to 240 move, only a 5% gain, but the market's correcting. May get back into that one. 20 out of 14 trades, 70% correct for an average gain of 20%, finishing out the month of September for the MOJO Swing Trade newsletter. So again, you want to subscribe, go to MOJO Day Trading, hit that subscribe, and by 10 o'clock every Sunday, you'll get my top 5 picks for the week ahead. That's it. It just makes sense. You're paying for results. As long as I keep the results going, you'll go. You'll do it. Here's the 825 newsletter. Review it. Review it, please. All right, so back to the action here. On my website, under the swing trading, please take your time and review these newsletters right there. I really how you do that. So again, please review these newsletters right here. I think you'll be pretty impressed. Your feedback would be greatly appreciated. It took me a lot of time and effort to make these picks and put these together. There's only 3 or 4 picks in each one of them, and they all worked. Every one of them for the last 2 months, for the last 7 years. The swing trade portfolio keeps scrolling down right here. And check all that out. Where's the archive? I had it on another page. Results. Right here, swing trade results. Page is empty. All right. I have to re-put that page up. Oh, what else did I want to show? What else did I want to show? Oh, the commissions. 3 commissions. Oh. Can't wait to trade tomorrow. Exciting. Another $500,000 cha-ching in the bank. Commission-free trades, top 5 brokers. Blog article, please read. There's 2 of them there for you to read. These are the top 5 commission-free brokers. Read my last blog post. You'll get the answers to these questions. Do you really think the firms aren't making money on your trades? They sell your orders. Did you know that? Do you think you'd win more if you went to Las Vegas and didn't tip the dealer? Imagine if you had a system for trading and made it almost so easy, impossible to lose money. Would you want that system? How much would you pay for the system? Click here to read that blog post. And then the top 5 brokers with 0 commissions is Robinhood. They're the first. And then you got Charles Schwab joining the scene. You might be wondering, Peter Crawford from Schwab's chief financial officer, the CFO, acknowledged in a statement that the elimination of trading commissions had been pretty much inevitable. We're seeing new firms trying to enter our market using 0 or low equity commissions as a lever. Mr. Crawford said, "We're not feeling competitive pressure from these firms yet, but we don't want to fall into the trap that a myriad of other firms in a variety of other industries have fallen into, waiting too long to respond to new entrants. The commission-free structure will go into effect Monday, that's tomorrow, for all account sizes, wiping out Charles Schwab's $4.95 per trade." And this is a great article. IBKR Lite is Interactive Brokers, 0 commissions. TD Ameritrade, 0. E-Trade announcing 0 commissions. And with the new commission schedule, we are further raising the bar, delivering an unrivaled experience at price points that can't be beat. Main Street investors will now trade stocks and ETFs for $0, so they could sell your orders and trade against you and make you lose even more. Saying, damn, how come that thing didn't go up? It was going up all day long. How come it stopped when I bought it? That's going to be the main meme. Whatever you are. Everyone's going to be like, holy crap. How come as soon as I bought it, that thing went down and stopped me out? Because they saw your shares and they saw your stop loss. They got them both. And they executed on you and took it. Why wouldn't they do that? Unbelievable. So unless you got a system that could identify the computer algorithm, you're going to lose. And that's what the MOJO Day Trading system's all about. So please check out that article, commission free, and the one from yesterday talks about how they sell orders to the high frequency firms. Definitely check that out. It's the one before that right here, commission free brokers. Right here. And right here, you'll find out Citadel Securities, Apex Clearing, and Verdi Financial as a list of high-frequency trading firms that are buying the orders. Alan's going to save $1,500 a month. Got a nice raise, minimum, thanks to no commissions. Beautiful thing. Beautiful thing. Meet Pro Trader Alan. He's right there, guys. So stocks for the week ahead. Who knows what they're going to be in the morning? But all I know is I'm going to be up at 8:30 starting the MOJO Day Trading show, showing you the 5 hottest gainers, what's hot and what's not. I'll bring you all the news. I'll show you it all. You want to see something funny? I get an email. Nice. Contest starts on October 21st. I just got an email from Patrick that they're going to send me more information as they get closer. I signed up for his DOS Trader contest. Hey, Kenneth Woodward, subscribe to my YouTube. Welcome, Ken. Welcome, Arthur. Thanks for joining the team tonight, buddy. Jose, thank you for joining the MOJO team. Look forward to seeing you in the room. All right, check out this, what I got. Now you'll see on my, let me just go to the, where is it? All right here. So I got an email from Mr. Bond again. And the only reason why I point this out, people, is because him and like Ross, they spend hundreds of thousands of dollars a month to capture the entire day trading audience. It doesn't give smaller guys like me a chance to get my name out there because they're just spending so much dollars on advertising. So with that said, they have thousands of people in their service, thousands and thousands and thousands. With that said, they should be supplying the most amazingest testimonials. And that's what I look at. So this guy right here, E. Smith, Profit Machine, 780 on SPY, up 5,000 in the past 2 weeks. Man, this guy must be freaking active as shit on Twitter, man. You know what I'm saying? E. Smithy. So let's check him out, see how active he is. E. Smith. What's his name? E. Smith CPA. E. Smith CPA. Right here. So he joined in 2012, but he's only made one tweet. What kind of account is that? Is that an account you can buy that's an older account on YouTube with no followers and nobody and make a story about it? Sure you can. So that's a bullshit Fugazi account right there. Let's look at the next one. Luciano Fidalgo. He should be freaking huge, right? Luciano. He's not even in here. Fidalgo. Here he is. There's his picture right there. He has joined a long time ago, but he has his own website. And this post, 1700 before the morning, scroll back a long time. It ain't there. You scroll down, keep on scrolling, it ain't there. All right, so Natalia, no tweets. So these right here is bullshit. Check out what the members have to say. They're not really members or people that are really tweeting. So, you know, I get these emails. Here's what I got today. Just to show you, and the reason they just bombard. Here's the emails I got today. I got from them 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 emails. Starting at 7:29 in the morning, 2:14, 5:03, 5:22, 5:26, and 6:35 from one service. Yup. Is what it is. I get them one by one, man. They sign up for them for thousands and thousands of dollars. You're paying the guy thousands and thousands of dollars for education. You lose that money, you have no money to fund your account to do anything. Take the money you'd use for education, get my education for free. Take my course, be in the chat room. I'll mentor you. I'll do it. Then go to trading firms right here. TEFS, if you don't have the funds, this firm will give you, after you are with the Mojo, $80,000 of starting capital to trade with. They cherry pick traders that have enhanced financial resources and education, giving them the opportunity to trade accounts starting with $80,000 in capital, but you can reach as high as $1 million in capital by trading with the firm. Okay, they don't accept you directly. They don't accept directly or in any funds from traders. They provide 100% of the account funding. The trader bears zero risk to their own capital with the trading account. TES keeps as much as 25 to as little as 5% of your profits generated, while the trading account and the trader gets the rest. Dude, it's the most unbelievable model. The TES platform is the most amazing model and platform, one of the in the fastest moving markets that you can get. This is the lightning fast execution and platform you need with the level 2 quotes, trading up to 20 stock charts, lists. I mean, everything that the professional trader needs right here. And you have frequently asked questions right here. Who owns the funds? TEF owns the funds in the account. They're giving you an $80,000 account to trade. What symbols can be used? All the symbols. You can't trade penny stocks, but you could trade Roku and Twitter and Ameritrade and all of the greatest stocks. All of the greatest stocks. Let me just make sure my account's ready to go for tomorrow. Log in. Bam, there's the account ready to go for tomorrow. I'm going to be trading Apple and Target and Disney and CVS and Tesla and Twitter and AMD and Chrysler and Rite Aid and Cisco and UV and TVIX and JNUG and JDST and UWT and DWT and UGAS and DGAS and Crone and Roku and Overstock and Net and BBBY. All the stocks right down there on my list, boys and girls. Can't wait to trade. Can't wait to trade. Ready to rock and roll. Beautiful. Ready to have a great week. I'd like to see you so you could see me as I'm trading right here. You're in the MOJO Day Trade room. You got it going on with the rest of my pro traders. I'm giving you the signals, giving you the picks, telling you when to buy, telling you when to sell, telling you when to shut it down. We're done for the day. Go do something else. That's the Mojo mantra. That's what we do every day, and we like doing that. Arthur, what's up, guys? Oh, nice. Thanks for talking on the tubers. Let's see what we got going on. We got BP Blodge. Hey, from Cedar Rapids, Iowa. Welcome. Thank you for checking out my show. Absolutely. This is going to be an exciting week this week for sure. And Mr. Rento, thanks, man. And Arthur, welcome back. Been gone for a while, but always coming back to the Moj. The tenure of the guys in my Mojo Day Trade room average, all these guys, around 4 years. Because we're a results-oriented room. We win consistently on a daily basis every day. Yes, we lose on trades, but we remain green and positive at the end of every day or every morning or every trading session. We seem to do that. I have no problem cutting losses quickly and letting winners ride. And do the math. Do 10 trades a day, 8 of them right, 2 of them wrong. Make $200 on the right one and lose $100 or $200 on the wrong one. So you lost $400 and then 8 of them right. You made $1,600. You made more than $1,000 a day by doing 10 trades at a $200 win ratio. Win 200 and even lose 200. No problem. We won't lose more than 4 times in a day. That I can bank on. That's a good system, folks. You're walking out of the casino after playing it, and there's 10 slot machines. 10. You're going to win on 8 of them, lose on 2 of them. It costs $100 each. You can only win $200 though on the slot. So you're going to win $1,600 and you're going to lose $200. Good deal, dude. That's the Mojo system. Come and do it with me every day. It would be my pleasure. And in the meantime, subscribe to my channel in the bottom left-hand corner. Give me a thumbs up on the video if you like it, and I'll probably see you in the morning because you'd be subscribed and you get an email saying, hey, Mike just went live. Go check it out. So subscribe, my friends.